moving on to the next question. Question 5. Between which two cities among the pairs of cities given below are there maximum travel options available? So we will go through the options one by one. Q and S. So to reach S from Q, one option is Q to P, Q to P, which has two modes, boat and rail, and P to R, which has one mode, which is just boat, and R to S, which has two modes. So total possible combinations to travel from Q to P to R to S is 2 into 1 into 2. This is 2 into 1 into 2, which is equal to 4. So this 4 method, if we travel like this, we have 4 possible combinations. Then we can also take Q to T, which has only one combination, which is air, and then T to R, which has two combinations, then R to S, which has two combinations. So 2 into 2 into 1, so total 4 combinations. So these are the two ways we can choose. We can go from Q to S. So total 4 plus 4, 8 combinations. So total 8 combinations can be formed when traveling from Q to S. So if you take P to R, then P to R only one combination, one direct via P to R boat. So there is only one, and or we can go from P to Q, which has two combinations, Q to T, which has one combination, then T to R, which has two combinations. So 2 into 1 into 2, 4. So total 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 combinations. So and similarly P to T, if you take P to T, P to Q, to Q to T, 1. So total 2 combinations, and P to R, which is 1, R to T, which is 2. So total 2 combinations. So sum is 4 combinations. So here 5, 8. Only one more, Q and R. So Q and R, we can go from Q to P, which has 2 combination, and P to R, 1 combination. So total 2 possibilities. Then Q to T, which has 1 combination, then T to R, which has 2 combinations. So 2 into 1, 2. So sum 4. So as we saw, like here we have 8 possible combination, here 5, 4, 4. So Q and S has the maximum number of possible combination, maximum travel options available. So answer is A, 8 combinations. In case if anyone has any doubt how Q to S in this option has 4 possible outcomes, or how we got 2 into 1 into 2 as total number of outcomes, I'll just explain. If you're familiar with that concept, please skip this part to the next question. So I'll just explain for people who don't know that. So Q to P to R to S, how did we find? So from Q to P, as you can see, from Q to P, we can either choose boat. Q to P, we can choose boat or rail. So we have boat here or rail here. So from P to R, we can only have one mode of transport, which is say same. So let me just here, let's say R, same here R, we get P to R, we have boat. So boat as the mode of transport. Now from R to S, further two possible mode of transport is there. So either bus or boat. So R to S, sorry, from R to S there is bus and boat. So further R to S, this becomes either bus or boat. S. Similarly here, bus, S, boat. So each path is a unique path. So Q, P, R, S. This is one path going like this. Similarly, Q, P, R, and S going like this will have a different path. So this is second path. Similarly, this taking this path will be third path, and similarly going like this boat will be fourth path. So there are total 4 combinations. How can we find that without drawing like this is, so if we have Q to P 2 combinations, then P to R 1 combination, then R to S 2 combination, then we can easily find this total number by multiplying these things, 2 into 1 into 2. It's like finding the total number of permutations possible. So 2 1 into 2, which is 4, which is same as 1 2 3 4. So this is how we get 4. So if you are unfamiliar with such process, like just that's why I explained. So you to in questions like this, you can do this 2 into 1 into 2. So total number of possible paths you will get. Okay, now moving on to the next question.